Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a very easy way to make, I don't know what it's called, but really yummy. First we take flour, 2 tablespoons, and then we're gonna take like 1 teaspoon of oil, soya bean oil or whatever you prefer. Okay, as you can see. Then 1 egg, sugar, half a teaspoon. Okay, salt, quarter teaspoon I think. Then some milk powder, I think 1 teaspoon. Yeah, 1 teaspoon. And then I think 2 or 1 tablespoon of milk. Okay, 1 tablespoon of milk. And some mashed potato. 2 tablespoons of mashed potato. Okay, goes in. Okay, that's it, and now mix. Yeah, as you can see, I've already mixed, and look, it's way too runny. Okay, for that, to solve that, you have to add more flour. Oh, that's disgusting. I have no spoon nearby. Sorry. Okay, then mix. And now look, it's about the right thickness. Okay. Okay, so it should look something like this, which is, well, doesn't look so yummy, as it's not too, and looks a bit disgusting. Well, it's really fine if you just cook it up. Okay, now just put it into the microwave for 2 minutes. And now as you can see, it's overflowed, but don't worry, it's gonna solidify when it's done. Use some gloves. Really hot. Then take it on a plate and done. And see, take it out of the cup and enjoy. Really hot though. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, thumbs up.